from Brampton, Ontario, representing Bathurst today. That's Renee Sellier, number 77. 3, 2, 1, let it go. Is off running as they go out of the suicide start. This is a course of regulation start, and one of the fastest drivers you can find out here at the find out these cars looking for a Demolition Derby as we continue on to go now. We're looking for the top. Number 36 takes a good hit off the double on 3, and 77 comes in to hit him. That's Renee Sellier. He's taking a hit on Andrew Claude as he comes in. Number 31 comes in touches. That's Barrie Foreman. He's making sure that he doesn't get into a spot. He doesn't want to pan. 111. 2175, do a little pushing and shoving on there as we continue to play in the Demolition Derby number 1. Got a real battle royal going on here, 77-003-36. They're kind of all tangled up together over here. As we continue on to play in heat number 1. Jim's got a 3-car battle going on down there, and nobody's moving anywhere. As we continue to play in heat number 1, at 2175 and 1111 taking on each other, 71, 77, 003, 36 are kind of in their own little personal 3-car pileup down there. We could lose them all at once if nobody gets through. 2175 continues to play. That's Jeremy Boyd. 1111 is Tim Hunter, and number 36, that's 31, that's Barrie Foreman. They continue to play in heat number 1. It's tipped down very close, and it's black flag on all 3. 77, 003, and 36 are now out of the race. Kind of a tough call as they continue to go. 2175, 31, and 1111 continue to play. 3-car battle row now as we get it down to 3-car Demolition Derby. 31, 1111, and 2175. 11-11 under the count over on the far side. He's got to try and get it down there and hit somebody. 21-75 and 31 jockeying for position. Going to continue to play the game. 31, Barrie Foreman in there. 21-75, Jeremy Boyd as we continue to play in heat number 1. 11-11 standing up on the top down at the far end. He's under the count by Sean at the far end. 21-75, 31 is going to play the game on. They got to try and play it 1, 2, 3. There's 21-75. Makes a good hit on the 31. 11-11, trying to keep it running, trying to get off the block. He's under the time. He's got to try and get it back in there before the time limit. 21-75 doing a good job. 31 trying to stay in there with him. 21-75, Jeremy Boyd from Woodville continues to play. So does number 31, Barrie Foreman. And 11-11, black flag now. 11-11, black flag. And the whistle blows. Ladies and gentlemen, number 31 was elected to take second place by choice to save his car for the feature. Your winner becomes number 2175. We congratulate Jeremy Boyd of Woodville. We're going to get him over here to receive the trophy. As we had a good heat in heat number 1, 21-75. Once again, number 31, Barrie Foreman, elected to take second place by choice not to further damage his car for the feature heat, because he knows he's coming back. That means your winner. Let's give him a nice round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. There's Jeremy Boyd of Woodville. Jeremy Boyd, 21-75. He's the winner of heat number 1. Ladies and gentlemen, let's have a nice round of applause for all of the drivers in heat number 1. They worked hard for you out there. So once again, our congratulations to Jeremy Boyd. Heat 2, 1, and away we go. Heat number 2 of today's Demolition Derby is off and running as we continue to play here now for this heat number 2. We've got to find 3 more cars to go to the feature heat today. And they've got 44 and a quarter, 28, 14, 001, and 55 4 cars Demolition Derby as they continue to go. We're going to be looking for three more of these automobiles to go to the feature heat. And there's a good hit on the 001 from 55 as they go together. And everybody gets in on the action now as we got the action and the traction going here with 28 1/4, 55. 28, 14, 55, 001, and 44 1/4 continue to play in heat number 2. Watch them drive, watch them play as they try to get themselves into one of the top spots for this heat today. 55, 001, working hard to get a hit. 28 1/4, 28, 14, jockey for position 44 1/4. Looking for something to hit. Remember, they must continue to make competitive hits, so they'll be counted out. 55, 001, 28 1/4, 44. He's looking for somebody to hit. And he finds number 55, 001, sitting over on the far side. He's got to hit somebody. 44 1/4 continuing to play. 55 seems to get a lot of the hits today as the bumper goes up and things kind of get hooked together. 001, 44 1/4 is going to save that part of the game as we continue to play in heat number 2. 48 14. Takes a little hit on the one in the corner. 48 14 as they must continue to make competitive contact. Now, heat number 2, 001 stalls on this side. As we've got a 4-car battle going for the top spot in heat number 2. 28 14, hooked up at the center, he comes apart. Everybody's free and clear one more time as we take the blocks out on this side. And we continue to play. On the 55 car over in the corner. 44 1/4, 001, 28 14, 55, 4-car demolition group. Got some good traction going here as we continue to play in heat number 2, 55, 28, 14, 44 1/4, 001. Still doing a good job out here as they represent their spots as well. 55 taking a good hit off the 28, 14. Here comes 001. He's going to make a hit onto the 25. Somebody's lost a tire, but you don't need tires anyway. 44 1/4, 28, 14, 55, all hooked together. Watching those head-on collisions between 55 and 28, 14. 55 has lost the right rear tire, but he's still going. 001 continuing to play as they go back in. Remember, they must continue to make competitive contact. There's no sandbagging allowed in the demolition river as we continue to play 44 1/4. The Eagles under the count. He's got to hit somebody. 55 having a little trouble. He's under the count down this far in by Tim as we continue to go now. 001 and 28 14 making a hit. 44 1/4 got to hit somebody pretty soon. And he's under the count by Sean. Under the count, he must make a competitive hit before the time limit. Getting hit by somebody else doesn't count. You must make a competitive hit yourself. 44 1/4, Robert Jackson under the count. 55 doing his best to get going. He's almost lost both rear tires and he's still doing it. They continue to play. Remember, they must make competitive contact. 44 1/4 moving around. 28-14 under the count by Sean, 44 to quarter. Now making a competitive hit, 55. Still doing a good job without hardly any rear rubber. 0-0-1 trying to stay in the game. 28-14 under the count. Trying to get his restarted. Great car, Demolition Derby, will continue to play in heat number 2. He's running 55, goes under the count. 44 and a quarter under the count by Bush. They must continue to make competitive hits. 44 and a quarter looks to have lost over his front axle. Doesn't appear to have a lot of steering, but he's still going. 44 and a quarter having, looks like some axle problems on the front. Here comes 0-0-1. But just because you haven't got everything perfect doesn't mean you can't drive in the Demolition Derby as we continue in heat number 2. Believe it or not, there's still 4 cars on equal ground in this race. 44 and a quarter under the count by Jim. He's got to hit somebody. 0-0-1 having some trouble. 55 and 28-14 under the count one more time. And of course, we must make a competitive hit in order to come off the count. Go for it, Jim. 44 and a quarter, black flag now. He's out of the race. 28-14, 0-0-1, and 55 are still left in. Don Turner, 55, Jesse Hill, 0-0-1, Mike Stokes, still left in the competition. Was black flagged a long time ago. 28-14, I believe, is still left in the race. 0-0-1. Sean. Is now on the race. 28-14 and 0-0-1 are the only two left in now in heat number 2. 28-14, 0-0-1. That's Mike Stokes in the 0-0-1 and 28-14 Don Turner. Very important, of course, when it gets down to only 2 cars left. If they get fused together, it is the last car running. 28-14 is now under the count. It's up to him to make the mix do. And he'd like to, if he could. 28-14 under the count. It's up to him to make the next competitive hit before the time limit. He's under the count. It's all up to 28-14. He must get away and come back in and make a competitive hit before the time limit. Continues under the count. He's trying hard to get him apart. 0-0-1 keeps his run. Very important at this point to keep both cars running. Still under the count. Trying hard to get him apart. And there's the whistle, and here comes the checkered flag as the decision is made. Ladies and gentlemen, number 001, heat number 1. From Brampton, Ontario, he's sponsored by Bath Fitter today. That's Rene Saulnier, number 77. One more, Tim tells us, one more to come in from the group. There he is on the track. And that's all for the feature. What away we go. They're playing the game out of the regulation start. Once again, 003, 37, and 36. Gonna play this game. And of course, the referee has just warned them the rules of Demolition Derby state. You must play it 1, 2, and 3. 2 cars cannot gang up on one. Any cars pound ganging up on the other one would immediately be disqualified. They must be very careful before this game 1, 2, and 3. 3 cars. 2 of them are going to get to go to the feature heat group of the 77, 36, 007, watching the driver's door. Warning going out from the referee. You are not allowed to hit that driver's door. 46 and 003 over in the corner, 77 jockeying for position. Here comes 003. Coming back out, 36 takes a hit. Here comes 003 coming into the front corner, or trying to. And 003. Making a good hit from the 36. 3-car demolition derby. Looking to reduce it to 2 cars now. And 77 takes a good hit off the 003. 36 goes under the count by both. And some good hits in the consolation round. They know they've got one chance to get into that feature. They better make it a good one. 36, 77, 003. 3 cars, demolition derby. And 003 takes the hit off to 36, 77 trying to track his position. He's got a little bit of a steering problem there. Here comes 36 as he makes a good hit onto the 77. 003 looks like he's under the count down here at this end by Tim. And 77 and 36 tied up. 77 now under the count. 36 and 003 continuing to play. And no one comes in. 77 still under the count. 003 under the count by Tim. 36 moving. Here comes 77. He takes the hit. He must take a better hit. 36 goes in and makes a good hit on the 003. And that takes this count off. 003 under the count by Bush up in his head. 003 under the count by Butch up on this side. 77 and 36 continue to play. It's up to 003. 003 under the count, trying hard to restart. The others continue to play. To 003 under the count. 003. And the whistle blows. There's the 2, 36 and 77. We'll go to the feature heat. Let's give them a nice round of applause. They fought hard there for a minute to stay in there. 36 and 77. We congratulate Dave Sterling in the number 36 and Rene Saulnier from Brampton in the number 77. How about a nice hand for all? 3, 2, 1, and away we go. This is the final heat of today's Demolition Derby. They're going for the big chance to go to the production final. They're going for the wings today to their trophy, and we continue on to play. Cheer them on, pick your favorites, and make them drive. Everybody playing Demolition Derby the only way they know how. Four cars, Demolition Derby. Black flag on this green car in the middle. Black flag and the green is out of the race. We continue on the go. 28-14, 55, 21-75. As we got up for a car battle royal in the final heat. still out there, 55, 2175, to play, sodas number 001. In a four-car battle to see who's going to take the top spots today in our fixture heat. These cars have already been through one heat of Demolition Derby. Some of them been through two. 55 takes a good hit off the 28-14. Play now 001, 55, 2175, 28-14 as they go back in and get themselves into a good spot for today's fixture heat. Well, we got a little bit of up and down going on 001 and 2175, but they get them apart and they continue on to play. And a good hitting fixture heat as they continue to go. 55 looking a little worse for the wear, but he's still going. 25, 001, anybody's battle as they continue to play in the Demolition Derby.